The number c is the square root of a if c squared equals a. This is the mathematical definition of square root. To find the square of a number, we multiply that number by itself. When the process is reversed, we say that we are looking for a number's square root. For example, since 5 squared equals 25, we say 25 is the square of 5, and 5 is the square root of 25. We say that 5 is the square root of 25 because every positive number has two square roots. The square roots of 25 are 5 and -1 because when both are squared, they equal 25. Let's take a look at another example that's listed here. Find the square roots of each number. The square roots of 49 are 7 and -7. To check this, note that 7 squared, in other words, 7 times 7 is 49, and further, -7, a negative times itself is positive, and 7 times 7 is 49. So we have proof that both are, in fact, square roots of this number 49. In the next problem, 121, we're looking for numbers that, when multiplied by themselves or squared, equals 121. Our answer in this case will be 11, since if we check that, 11 squared, 11 times 11 is 121, as well as -11, since -11, when squared, a negative times a negative is positive, 11 times 11 gives us 121. So we have the two answers for the square root of 121 as well.